Very good morning, dear children. Today we discuss the topic is trend analysis. Okay, so previous class discussed the topic common size income statement, then comparative statement. Okay, today class discuss trend analysis. So the following steps can be followed be compute the trend percentage. First one is trend analysis. First one is take the earliest as the base year. So earliest year தான் நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சிடுவோம் base year எடுத்துக்கணும். Okay. So first step earliest year as the base year. Then second one is take the figures first the base year as 100. So base year 100 னு வெச்சுக்கணுமா. Then third one is express the figures of the other years as a percentage to the base year and determine the trend. So percentage to the base year and determine the trend. Okay, that's all. So first illustration 12 mark. Calculate trend percentages for the following particulars of Kurinji Limited. So first particulars in thousands கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 2015 to 16, then 16 to 17, then 17 to 18 is given. So revenue from operations, then other income, then expenses. So three categories is given mark. So first write the heading trend analysis for Kurinji Limited. Okay, that's all. So first write the heading particulars, then the year 2015 to 16, 2015 to 16, then 2016 to 17, then 2017 to 18. Okay, that's all. So trend percentage first year 2015 to 16, then 2016 to 17, then 2017 to 18. That's all. First revenue from operations. Revenue from operations. So bookல என்ன questions ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்களோ so அத அப்படியே நம்ம எழுதுறோம். So revenue from operations how much ma 120. Then next one 2016 to 17 132. Then 17 to 18 156. That's all. So next trend percentage. So first நம்ம எல்லாமே இப்படி எழுதி வெச்சுட்டோம். Last நம்ம trend percentage analyze பண்ணலாமா plus other income. So first other income 50 rupees. Then next one 38 rupees. Then 65 rupees. That's all. The answer is 170. Then next answer 170 also. Next add பண்ணும்போது 221. Okay, it's a total revenue. Total revenue. Then minus expenses. Minus expenses. So expenses 100 rupees mark. Then year 2016 to 17 135. Then 17 to 18 123. That's all. So next one. Next one. Profit. So calculate profit. So 70 rupees, then 35 rupees, then 98 rupees. That's all. So 2015 to 16. So first percentage நம்ம எப்பவுமே என்ன வச்சுக்கணும் 100. ஓகேமா first percentage என்ன வச்சுக்கணும் 100. Okay, that's all. So next the 110 எப்படி calculate பண்ணனும் பாரு. First 2016 to 17 இயருக்கு 132. Okay, 132 divided by 120 into 100. Okay, so அப்படி calculate பண்ணும்போது உனக்கு 110 கிடைக்கும். ஓகேமா நெக்ஸ்ட் அதே மாதிரி நெக்ஸ்ட் 38 divided by 50 into 100 அப்படி நம்ம பண்ணும்போது 76 கிடைக்கும். Next 170 divided by 170 into 100 அப்படிங்கும்போது 100% கிடைச்சிடும். Next 135 divided by 100 into 100 அப்படின்னு பண்ணும்போது நம்மளுக்கு 135 கிடைக்கும். Next 35 divided by 70 into 100 அப்படிங்கும்போது நம்மளுக்கு 50% கிடைக்கும். That's all. So next one 2017 to 18. So 17 to 18 அப்படிங்கும்போது 17 to 18 எவ்வளவு 156 divided by 120 into 100. Okay, so 130% கிடைக்கும். Next 65 divided by 50 into 100, that is equal to 130, same percentage mark. Then 221 divided by 170 into 100, same 130. Next one 123 divided by 100 into 100, so 123. Next 198 divided by 70 into 100 is equal to 140. Okay, so same தான். So அதுக்கு என்ன பண்றதுன்னு சொல்லியிருந்தேன் 2017 to 18 first one 156 divided by 120 into 100 அப்படின்னு பண்ணும்போது நம்மளுக்கு இந்த ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கும். ஓகேங்களா, that's all. Next one illustration 13 mark. So same trend percentage model, same percentage. So next illustration 13. So from the following information, calculate trend percentage for Mullai Limited. So particulars கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 3 years கொடுத்திருக்காங்கமா 15 to 16, then 16 to 17, 17 to 18. Okay, so revenue from operations, other income, expenses, then excess இதுல ஒண்ணே ஒன்னு ஆட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, என்னது income tax. Okay, so same model தான், நம்ம எப்போ பண்ற same procedures தான். So இப்போ என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படி பார்க்கலாம். First you write the heading. So trend analysis for Mullai Limited. Mullai Limited. So write the heading, first particulars. Next one lakhs la kuduthirukanga. Okay amma, lakhs. So lakhs la kuduthirukanga. So 2015 to 16, then 2016 to 17, then 2017 to 18. Okay, so next model next you find out the answer, trend analysis. So trend analysis same 2015 to 16, then 2016 to 17, then 2017 to 18. Okay, same now. So first one, revenue from operations. So revenue from operations, how much? 100 rupees, huh? So next year to 120. So next year 160. That's all. Plus other income. Plus other income. So other income, how much? 20. So next one is a 24. So next one is a 20. That's all. So it's a total revenue. Okay, next one is a total revenue. So total revenue is 120. So add பண்ணும்போது 144. Next add பண்ணும்போது 180. That's all. So next minus expenses. So expenses how much? 20. Then next one 14. Next 14. Okay. So நம்ம less பண்ணும்போது answer 100, then 130, then 140. Okay, so இது வந்து நமக்கு profit before tax. Profit before tax. Next one is minus income tax. Income tax how much ma? 30% is given. So அப்ப நம்ம 30% calculate பண்ணனும். So 30% calculate பண்ணோம் அப்படினா எப்படி calculate பண்ணுவோம்? 100 into 30 by 100. Okay, so 30. Then 130 into 30 by 100. So 39 rupees. Then 140 into 30 by 100, 42 rupees. That's all. So minus பண்ணும்போது உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளவுமா வருது? 70 rupees கிடைக்கும். ஓகேங்களா? So 70, then 91 rupees, then 98 rupees. That's all. So இப்போ நம்ம as usual எப்பவும் மாதிரி என்ன பண்றோம்? இங்க percentage calculate பண்றோம். So percentage எப்படி calculate பண்ணனும்? 120. First percentage எல்லாமே 100 நம்ம consider பண்ணிக்கணும். So 100, then 100, 100, then 100, 100 and 100. Okay. So first one 2016 to 70. Okay. 120 divided by 100 into 100, that is equal to 120. Then 24 divided by 20 into 100, so 120. Then 144 divided by 120 into 100. Okay, so 120. Next one, 14 divided by 20 into 100 is equal to 70. Then 130 divided by 100 into 100, 130. Then 39 divided by 30 into 100, 130. Then 91 divided by 70 into 100, 130. That's all. So same at the same time 160 divided by 100. Okay, இந்த இதுக்கு இதுக்கும் பார்க்கணும். First வந்து இதுக்கு இதுக்கும் பார்த்திருப்போம், அடுத்தது இதுக்கு இதுக்கும். So 160 divided by 100 into 100 is equal to 160. Next 120 divided by 20 into 100 is equal to 100. Next 180 divided by 120 into 100, 150. Okay, then 40 divided by 20 into 100 is equal to 200. Next other 40, other 140 divided by 100 into 100, 140. Next 42 divided by 30 into 100, 140. Next 198 divided by 70 into 100, 140. That's all. So these are the solution of illustration 13. ஓகேமா? சோ இத நம்ம என்ன கால்குலேட் பண்ணிருக்கோம்? இது வந்து நமக்கு profit after tax அப்படினு வரும். After tax. That's all. So next one, illustration 14. Next one is a illustration 14. Illustration 14, the same model தாமா. ஓகேங்களா? illustration 14 நமக்கு same model தான் வரும். சோ அதை எப்படி கால்குலேட் பண்றது அப்படினு பார்க்கலாம். Illustration 14. So from the following particulars of Natal Limited, calculate rent percentages. So particulars in lakhs 2015 to 16, 16 to 17, then 17 to 18. So revenue from operation, other income, expenses, income tax. So same model dama, no difference, same model. So first we write the heading, trend analysis for Natal Limited. Okay. For Natal Limited. The first one is the particulars. So second one is in lakhs in lakhs. Okay. So 2015 to 2015 to 16. Then 2016 to 17. Then 2017 to 18. Okay, then next one is a trend percentage. Trend percentage. So same model 2015 to 16, then 2016 to 17, then 2017 to 18. Okay, Amma? Okay, first one, revenue from operations. So revenue from operations rupees 150 first year, then 135. Next one is the 90 rupees. That's all. Plus other income. Plus other income. So other income till 25, then 5, then 15. Okay, that's all. Then next we calculate the total revenue. So total revenue. Total revenue add பண்ணும்போது 175, இங்க நமக்கு 140, then 105 கிடைக்குமா. Next minus expenses. So expenses how much? 125, then 75, then 50. Okay, 50. So plus பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா நம்மளுக்கு எவ்வளவு கிடைக்கும்? Profit before tax. Profit before tax. So how much ma? 50. நம்ம மைனஸ் பண்ணும்போது 65, then minus பண்ணும்போது 55. So minus income tax. So income tax வந்து 40%. Okay, so 40% நம்ம calculate பண்ணும்போது எவ்வளவு கிடைக்கும் நம்மளுக்கு? 20 rupees. ஒரே 50 into 40 by 100. So 20 rupees. 65 into 40 by 100, 26 rupees. Then 55 into 40 divided by 100. Okay, so 22. That's all. So the answer is profit after tax. After tax. So the amount is 30, then 39, then 33. Okay, so first you write the same percentage 100. Same percentage 100. Then first 135 divided by 150 into 100. Okay, Amma? So 90. Then 5 divided by 25 into 100, so 20. Next 140 divided by 175 into 100, so 80. Next 75 divided by 125 into 100, so 60. Next one 65 divided by 50 into 100, 130. Next one 26 divided by 20 into 100, 130. Next one 39 divided by 30 into 100, 130. That's all. So next one same 90 divided by 150 into 100, so 60. Next 60 next 15 divided by 25 into 100, so 60. Next 180 divided by 175 into 100. Sorry, 105. 105 divided by 175 into 100. Okay, 60. So next one is 50 divided by 125 is equal to 40. Next 55 divided by 50 into 100 was equal to 110. Next one 22 divided by 20 into 100 for 110. Next one 33 divided by 30 into 100, 110. That's all. So these are the solution of illustration 14 mark. So next problem is illustration 15. So next is a different model. So assets and liabilities are given mark. So next model illustration 15. Okay, illustration 15. So the write the heading trend analysis. Trend analysis for Carlyle Limited. Okay. So first one particulars. So இது வந்து no problem, same method தான். So அப்படி நீங்க எழுதிர வேண்டியதான். So year 1, then year 2, then year 3. So trend percentage. Next உள்ளது சார் trend. Trend percentage. Okay, trend percentage. Year 1, then year 2, then year 3. First one is equity and liabilities. Equity and liabilities. So first one is a shareholders fund. Shareholders fund. So the amount is 250, 275, then 300. Then next one is a non-current liabilities. So non-current liabilities is 100, then 125, then 100. Okay, then current liabilities. So current liabilities is 50, then 40, then 80. That's all. So next total. So the total amount is 400, then 440, then 480. So நீங்க இது எதுமே கண்டுபிடிக்க வேண்டாமா, உங்க ப்ராப்ளம்ல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்களோ அத அப்படியே நீங்க வந்து எழுதிடலாம். That's all. So next one is assets. Assets, non-current assets. Non-current assets 300, then 360, then 390. Then current assets. Current assets 100, then 80, then 90. So next one is a total 400, 440, then same 480. That's all. So இப்போ நம்ம எப்போ மாதிரி first year 1 க்கு என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா percentage calculate பண்ணுவோம். So percentage பாருங்க 100, then 100, 100, 100. Then same 100, 100, 100. So இப்போ நம்ம எப்போ மாதிரி 375 divided by 250. First இந்த ரெண்டுக்கும். Okay. So to calculate பண்ணும்போது first is the 110. Next 120 divided by 100 into 100. Okay. So 125. Next 40 divided by 50 into 100. So 80. Then 40 divided by 400 into 100, 110. Next one 360 divided by 300 into 100. So 120. Then 80 divided by 100 into 180. Then 440 divided by 400 into 100, 110. That's all. Next one is a year 3. So 300 divided by 250 into 100. Okay, 120. Next one 100 divided by 100 into 100, 100. Then 80 divided by 50 into 100, 160. Then 110 divided by 480 divided by 400 into 100, 120. Then 390 divided by 300 into 100, 130. Then 90 divided by 100 into 100, 90. Then 480 divided by 400 into 100, 120. That's all. So it's an illustration 15 solution mark. That's all. So same தான். So same model தான். இதே தான் calculate பண்றீங்க. But இது வந்து உங்க ப்ராப்ளம்ல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்களோ அதை அப்படி நீங்க எழுதுவீங்க. So next வந்து என்ன பண்றோம், இதையும் நம்ம calculate பண்ணி. That's all. Okay. So next problem, illustration 16 mark. The next one is the illustration 16. So illustration 16 same model. So trend analysis for Bhoomi Limited. Okay, so same தான். இது equity and liabilities கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, then assets கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, same model. Okay. The trend analysis for Bhoomi Limited. Bhoomi Limited. So first one is the particulars. Then second one, year 1. Then year 2. Then year 3. That's all. So trend percentage. Same year 1, year 2, then year 3. Okay, that's all. First write the questions. So equity and liabilities. First one is a shareholders fund. Shareholders fund. So first share capital. Then reserve and surplus. Reserve and surplus. Okay. So same one 200, then 60. So in 254, then 60. Then in 212, then 90 rupees. Okay. So another non-current liabilities. So non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities la long-term borrowings ma. Long-term borrowings. So how much? 140, then 154, then 168. Then third one, current liabilities. So current liabilities like trade payable. So trade payable 40, then 60, then 80. That's all. So the answer is 440, then 528, then 550. So it's a total. Next one, assets. First one, non-current assets. First, fixed assets. 200, then 236, then 206. Next one, non-current investment. Non-current investment 80, then 100, then 120. Next one is current assets. So inventories 120, 132, 144. Next one, cash and cash equivalents. 40, then 60, then 80. That's all. So the answer 440, then 528, then 550. So in the full நம்ம என்ன வெச்சுக்கணுமா 100 னு வெச்சுக்கிறோம். First year full 100. 100. So next உள்ளது full நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம் divide பண்ணுவோம். எப்படி divide பண்ணனும் 54 divided by 200 into 100. So 127. Next 60 divided by 60 into 100. So 100. Then 154 divided by 140 into 100. So 110. Next one is a 150. So next to 120. That's all. Next. That's all. So next year 3. Same 1212 divided by 200 into 100. Okay. 106. That's all. So if the trend analysis, trend percentage calculate பண்றது. ஓகேமா? So first equity and liabilities, then assets, the value அப்படி நீங்க என்ன செஞ்சிரணும் உங்க क्वेश्चंसல உள்ளதை நீங்க அப்படியே prepare பண்ணி எழுதிட்டு next you only find out the percentage. Okay, that's all. Okay. Thank you students. Thank you so much.